There has been little to no evidence, either nationally or internationally, where a stream through a lake basin has been renaturalized. Bruma Lake, constructed in the early 1980s in the form of a basin, was entirely lined with concrete, with a thin reinforced floor and vertical cantilever walls. A labyrinth spillway presented a vertical concrete face, preventing the movement of any terrestrial or aquatic animals along the riparian corridor. That resulted in a totally unviable ecosystem. The lake proved difficult and costly to maintain. Sediment and organic matter accumulated rapidly. Poor catchment management practices, elevated water temperature, and reduction in the average depth of the water body caused anaerobic conditions in the water column and benthos, resulting in a rapidly deteriorating, unattractive, smelly body of water. The reinforcement of the precast deck panels of the two bridges that cross the lake had so deteriorated and became unsafe that they were closed off by the city. Numerous remedial schemes had been tried and failed. CBA Specialist Engineers, Chris Booker and Associate CC, was responsible for the conceptual and detailed design of the recreated stream for the Bruma Lake Rehabilitation project. The project included the recycling and efficient use of existing materials to recreate the low-flow waterway and the floodway by filling the lake basin with lime-stabilized retained sediment, lining the low-flow channel with riprap to ensure stability under high flood conditions, creating an energy dissipation system at the inlet, and refurbishing the suspension bridge. Design aesthetics to create a savanna-like feel with brick paved paths, lighting to make the area attractive at night, and a children's play area were the responsibility of the landscape architect. Environmental considerations to maximize environmental benefits and to ensure minimal impact of the quality of the river flow leaving the site were as important as the hard engineering. Led by the consulting engineer, this project relied heavily on its multidisciplinary team for success, and of course, the client, the City of Johannesburg Department of Environment and Infrastructure Services, and its implementation arm, the Johannesburg Development Agency. This work and other CBA Specialist Engineering projects that have employed similar techniques have proven that green engineering can stabilize urban streams in a natural way that creates habitat and visual diversity. The interface between engineering and landscape architecture is the way of the future.